Do you know Vietnam has introduced a new VAT law which has been made applicable effective 1st July 2025? The National Assembly of Vietnam, in its 15th tenure, has passed its 48th law in the year 2024. Hence, this law is termed as Law number 48 bar 2024 bar QH 15. To a newcomer who is fresh with business ideas but does not know what VAT is, this series aims to explain the fundamentals of VAT and tell you what are all the compliance points that you need to know on this law. Let's get started. The full form of VAT is value added tax. It is a tax paid on the value addition made in every stage, starting from the stage of manufacture till the final stage of consumption. For instance, let's take an example where a product is manufactured for 1 million VND and a VAT at the rate of 5% is to be paid at stage 1. In stage 2, a small value addition is being made by adding an attractive package to the product and the product is being sold to another person. Now, at stage 2, the net tax that will be paid is only the tax paid on the value addition. Therefore, VAT law helps in mitigating the cascading effect since the tax paid in the earlier stages will be available as input tax credit when the tax is being paid in the subsequent stages. Now comes the question, what is the trigger for a tax liability? If your goods or services are produced in Vietnam or used in Vietnam or consumed in Vietnam, if either of it or all of it is true, VAT is applicable. Of course, there are certain exemptions on which VAT is not applicable. We will be discussing that in the subsequent series. This leads us to another question. Who needs to pay VAT? It's the manufacturer or the consumer or the transporter. Article 4 of the VAT law explains this. A person who is operating as a manufacturer or an importer or a seller will have the liability to discharge VAT as a taxpayer. If a person is representing an individual or an organization not operating in Vietnam by managing the digital platforms or e-commerce exchanges, such person will be treated as a taxpayer and will be liable to pay VAT. Hope this video is useful. Stay tuned for the next episode.